Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the pound yen, I think, needs to go down and make a wave C. The only question I have is the wave B complete? Kind of almost looks like we have impulsive up, corrective down, should lead to another impulsive up before it goes down to make a more proper three waves of B. But we have to be careful with that idea because it doesn't have to do that. I mean, it could just keep on going down to make the wave C. So for now, I am definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend unless I see an engulfing up or a break of structure up on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if I zoom out a little bit, you can first of all see that this is definitely looking like five waves up, which makes me think even more that it really is a wave A. This is kind of corrective down. I mean, it is a little impulsive, but you could almost say that it's like a one, two, three type thing going on there for a wave B. So we are at the 78%. So if it does go up and break structure, that's where I would start to look for maybe even on a shorter time frame than this, look for a pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend is after it goes up and breaks structure at a Fibonacci level. So after it breaks structure at a fib level, that's where I would look to go long. If it goes up and makes a lower high and just keeps on going down, then that would be no long opportunity for me. But instead, I would just keep on going short. If it doesn't give us that break of structure, there's no reason to go long in my eyes. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.